absolutely an amazing day for trading on the Dow, but that's not where we started. We started off with some heavy losses on gold, maybe about 600 in the red. Realized 8 o'clock this isn't our session anymore. Took a break and came back at 10 o'clock, which leads us to the Dow and us breaking even. Let's get into that. 9:30 open right here. Let's grab our tools. Do oops. Let's undo that real quick. Don't want to spoil that. 9:30 open. Market drops down, does a nice reversal, and just smoothly trades out afterwards. We weren't there for that. We started trading around the 10 o'clock. And let's just show you guys the trend line to support which we had. And I'll explain them real quick. So if we just actually get rid of them first, click, click. When we do all the trading, I'll walk you guys through our trades actually. So let's start 8:30 on the opens. But we always want to mark this out here just to get a nice open range. That's what we had. Now we're starting around 10 o'clock for our day. And we see this right here on the higher time frames as we moved up from the 1000, well, from the 100 to the 500 ticks. So we see the support line forming up here. We mark it out nice and clean. And now we are looking for the breakout based off of yesterday's trading and how well that went for us. So we catch these highs and these lows here forming through and through. I thought we were going for a mountain. Like I'm doing this, getting ready for it. We don't go for it at all. But that's alright though, because I still marked out the bottom support line using a higher time frame. If I can grab that and magnetize it. Patterns are really nice. I love them. Starting to enjoy them a lot more. So let's mark these out. We're able to catch the support line here. Then we see this initial breakthrough right here. We wait for it. We catch the retest, I believe, running the 20-30 ratio. So let's get that nicely marked out there. A nice 20-point risk. 60-point goal. Hit that nice and clean. And then we got back in later on based off of these two trades. These two trend lines, I'd like to say. Let's mark out this high and this high. Market broke out. We saw it was resisting. While I wanted to say this was heading to a sell signal based on the wicks, I realized something. Sell signals aren't just straight wick. It's mixed candle wicks going in the same direction. So this is why I'm really looking for my entry. Catch the entry around here. Not sure exactly where it was, but it was another 20-60. Nice and smooth trade. We took 2 more trades like this throughout the day, and that's really what helped us go break even, was the actual breakout trades. I'm starting to become a big fan of the breakout trades, as well as using the ticks instead of the actual time-based intervals. While they are helpful for the longer holds, I just think the ticks also help a lot more with the breakouts. But nevertheless, I might transition to a mix of both of them. But the Dow is just becoming my little sweetheart here. I'm loving it. It gave me consistent gains today. Offset a couple $100 in losses on gold within about maybe about a dozen trades, I'd say. But really, and for less than 6 Dow trades, offset some trades across gold, losses across the S&P. I don't think we took any NASDAQ trades, but the Dow was consistent. We love the breakouts, and we're going to be looking forward to it come Monday morning. And we stopped our trading around 11 o'clock because that's when the market started to get a little choppy. You have this little nice little squeeze up here, and everything just starts to go sideways for a little bit. And for me, I said, you know what? Why turn a decent day, any good day when you're not in the red? Why turn that into a loss? I closed out, had lunch, and came back and started recording. Overall, I think today was one of our more simple days actually for learning. It was just more of confirmation versus me hitting repeated failures and learning that way. So the notes were fairly simple. Use the 500 and 1000 tick intervals for the Dow. That's what I was using for the live trades. Dow is holding well in the 3-9 ratio for the breakouts. You can enter on the support line, enter on the white support line actually. In the reversal, use the mix and not the all, well, we'll show them real quick actually. Where would I like to say is the mixed candles? This right here, but you can kind of just tell this is heading into reversal. No, you wouldn't. Let me explain. I'm looking for these wicks right here. Consistent wicks, same height, same price, where the price is just, it's hitting this area and just rejecting repeatedly. Now, if we look at this on the 5-minute time frame, right? While this right here is clearly a sell signal, over here, you're having the exact same thing, right? You have white wicks, just high wick, all going up, but it's not the sell signal yet. It's just not the sell signal. How do I say this? The sell signal best includes mixed candles. When they're all just all white candles like this, hey, well, price is still just gonna keep going up here, which is where we actually see we have the wicks, it's still rejecting here, and we get a squeeze up. And over here we have the wicks. We're having some mixed candles. We're having the black candle, white candle, black, black, white. For me, this is just lovely. And if you look at it based on the actual ticks and the orders, you can tell this candle is taking some rejection here. You could probably enter for a sell, and you have a nice trend downwards. Probably aim for, I could say, another 2030, 2060 actually, or your 3090. But this just isn't my trading session. I'm not going to sit there and force that. I'm just going to have fun, relax, and walk away not a loser. Thank you guys for joining. We'll catch you guys later. And also on that note, quick recap on the weekly. Well, monthly actually. We started out in the red first 2 days, came back in. Absolutely amazing yesterday. Yesterday was amazing. Overall, our best holds are looking like our 5-minute holds, 5-10-minute holds. Those quick holds are the stop losses where, you know what, we get a position, quickly stops us out, no time is wasted. All right, we're looking for the next setup, but we are able to hold our winners a lot longer. And also some of these losses that are like long losses are us entering a trade with 2 or more contracts, scalping, so we get guaranteed profit. Either contract is set to break even, and that's how we get some of these losses that are being long held. Overall, majority of our long holds tend to be winners. Today, if we can just pull up the Dow, let's go March 14th and up. We started out with some losses until we locked in, and after that it was just a lot more green, more consistently. A lot smaller winners where you start to see losses of $90, $20, or $170. Right next to a $170 loss, you see a $600 win, $20 loss, $500 win, $90 loss, $400 win. Love to see it. We're coming back in. We're just working on it. We're just improving it. And I'm looking forward to next week. I'll catch you guys later. God bless you. And have a good day.